Good morning, dear student. Chemical kinetics. Easy way to find rate of formation of product. For the reaction, decomposition of dinitrogen pentoxide gives nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. The value of rate of disappearance of N2O5 is given as 6.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. The rate of formation of NO2 and O2 is given respectively as. We have to solve this. The given equation is N2O5 in gaseous state undergo decomposition gives 2NO2 gaseous state plus half O2 which is also in gaseous state. The rate of the reaction, now I am writing N2O5 minus D of concentration of dinitrogen pentoxide divided by dt, number of moles equal to 1, thereby 1 by 1, it is equal to here 2, therefore 1 by 2 into plus value because product are formed, concentration of product are increases with change in time dt, that is equal to plus 1 by 2 d of concentration of O2 divided by dt. Which value is given? The disappearance of N2O5 value is given. So, given value is minus d of concentration of N2O5 by dt is equal to 6.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. Using this, we are going to calculate the formation of NO2, rate of formation of O2. First, equate these two. 1 by 2 d of concentration of NO2 and divided by dt is equal to minus d of concentration of N2O5 divided by dt. Bring the 2 to the right hand side, it becomes d of concentration of NO2 divided by dt is equal to 2 into minus d of concentration of N2O5 divided by dt, that is equal to 2 into the disappearance value is given as 6.5 into 10 power minus 2. 2 into 6.5 equal to 13.0, 13 into 10 power minus 2, that is equal to 1.3 into 10 power minus 1 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. What is the unit? Mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. Now we are going to calculate the rate of formation of O2. So equate these two. 1 by 2 means 2, that value is 2. We can write 2 into d of concentration of O2 divided by dt is equal to minus d of concentration of N2O5 by dt. Bring the 2 to the right hand side, it becomes d of concentration of O2 divided by dt is equal to 1 by 2 into minus d of concentration of N2O5 by dt, that is equal to 1 by 2 into this value is given 6.5 into 10 power minus 2. When you cancel 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 5 2 5 0.25 into 10 power minus 2. What is the unit? Mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1, This is rate of formation of oxygen. One more problem in this video we are going to discuss now. During the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to give dioxygen, 48 gram of oxygen is formed per minute at certain point of time. The rate of formation of water at this point is, rate of formation of water at this point is. Now I write the decomposition reaction of hydrogen peroxide. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, undergo decomposition gives H2O plus half O2, H2O plus half O2. But in our problem, there is no molarity value is given, only weight of mass of oxygen is given. In how many liter? 1 liter per minute per liter. Now, how to find out the number of moles of O2? Number of moles of O2 equal to mass by molar mass. Number of moles of O2 is equal to mass by molar mass. Mass is given in our problem 48 gram. We have to find out molar mass. How to find molar mass of oxygen O2, that is equal to 2 oxygen equal to 2 into 16, atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16, therefore 32 is the molar mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen given in our problem is 48. What is the molar mass of oxygen? 32. We can cancel these two. 16 the table, 2 16s are 32, 3 16s are 48. 3 16s are 48. 2 16s are 32, 3 16s are 48. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 5 per liter. If it is dissolved in per liter, this is actually number of moles, unit is moles only. Now we can calculate molarity of oxygen. Molarity of oxygen. Molarity of oxygen is equal to number of moles by volume in liter. Number of moles 1.5 and volume in liter 1 liter, that is equal to 1.5 mole liter power minus 1. This is molarity. By T means rate. So, rate of formation of O2. Rate of formation of O2. How to write the formula? D of concentration of O2 by dt. Rate means with respect to time is equal to 1.5 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. Using this, we can calculate rate of formation of water molecule. So, rate of formation of water molecule is equal to D of H2O by dt is equal to, in our problem, from the problem we can write 1 by 1 by 2 into D of concentration of O2 divided by dt. This value we know, we have to calculate this value. So, D of concentration of H2O divided by dt equal to 2 into D of concentration of O2 divided by dt, that is equal to 2 into 1.5 we have calculated. So, the answer is 3 mole liter power minus 1 second power minus 1. This is your D of concentration of H2O divided by dt, formation of water molecule. So, in this video we discussed two problems. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.